For a long time, I've been searching for a path for myself, to harmony and health. My search often led me to a dead end. Fad diets, detoxes, and miracle cures that only worked temporarily. I forgot the most important thing. In nature, nothing can exist without harmony. If my body is to find its own path to health, it needs to discover its inner strength, its powerful immunity. The strength that is hidden in the reishi, the strength and beneficial effects that have been acknowledged for thousands of years, the strength that brought my immunity back to life. For me, health is immunity. Immunity is reishi. Reishi by Mika Medica.